Hi, I'm Patrick, and we're going to unbox the PlayStation 4. It's a surprisingly small box, so that means the system must be small, so we'll grab that. It's a nice wedge shape here. Don't need that. A quarter of it is nice and glossy. We've got a flat finish on the rest. We've got 2 USB and a disc port. On the back, we have a digital out, HDMI out, Ethernet jack, and an aux port, as well as the power. And let's see what else is in the box. I've already got fingerprints on it. I've got a dual shock. This to protect the gloss. Oh, there's only on one side, I guess. It's got a nice, comfortable feel. And the digital pad here. Special free offers for PlayStation games. Oh, codes. Oh. We got a quick start guide. That's sealed. And let's see here. We have one headphone, a mono headphone. We've got USB cable for charging the controller, power cord, and HDMI cable. And that's it.
Oh, man.
So we'll hook this up and get it updated. What are you doing?
I was going to look at the camera.